The beast rose up and struck my soul. I cry at night, by day I fall. Tears like broken silver roll. Down my cheeks they drift away. Down my cheeks they drift away. Down my cheeks they drift away. My mind in love has flown astray. She left me, brother, left me grey. A stranger lost, no one asks of me. My mind flew off with her so free. Now I worship misery. I cry at dusk, I cry at dawn. Tears that blur the world I'm on. Tears that blur the world I'm on. Tears that blur the world I'm on. Her beauty haunts me when she's gone. Her love poured on me like the sun. Stranger lost, no one asks of me. Pain grew strong, I sought a cure. Longed for my love's je d'eau pure. I loved her like a branch so sure. Yet her fire burned me through. Her fire burned me through. Her fire burned me through. Still I wander with my altar. Nothing left for me to do. And still a stranger, none ask of me. Her fire burns within my chest, thinking of those girls so blessed. Since I loved her she found rest, left me with no sympathy. Left me with no sympathy. Left me with no sympathy. My heart holds on to what can't be. Oh, knower of the hidden sea. Oh Lord of mercy, hear me plead. Her love cuts deep, I bleed indeed. Her love engraved inside of me, a burning scar eternally. My brow is dim from loving her, that tender gazelle, my wanderer. Beloved, why your coldness grows? Still I wait and still I rose. Your beauty makes the darkness glow. Your lips like wine soft flow. Glory to God who shaped you so. The maiden's charm in overflow. Her cheeks are roses kissed with white, jasmine blooming soft and bright. Her brows two arches drawn in light. They stole my soul in one swift rite. I'll praise her for as long as years still hold me in this world of tears.